Hi everybody, welcome back to the subject Power Systems. In this session, I am going to give you a brief information regarding the boilers. Boilers or steam generators is the most important equipment of steam generating plant. It produces high pressured stream. It means that these boilers converts water into the steam. We are having the two types of boilers. One is the 5-tube boilers and the second one is water tube boilers. Regarding the 5-tube boilers, the hot combustion gases is passing through tubes and these tubes are surrounded by water. This whole arrangement is placed in a sealed container. Sealed container. The steam is generated by the process of wherein the water is heated by the heat energy from the gases being passed through the tubes surrounded by the water. The steam produced is limited to 9,000 kg per hour and the pressure range is of 17 to 25 watts. The efficiency of these 5-tube boilers is 80%. Then coming to the water tube boilers, there is a replica that to these 5-tube boilers, the water flows through the tubes, hot combustion gas over these tubes, Steam produced is limited to 5 lakhs and the pressure is of 200 bands at 540 degrees centigrade. The efficiency is of 92%. Observe clearly here this particular diagram. This one is the air and fuel in. This particular gases, that flue gases is passing in this path. Observe clearly in this path. This is the combustion chamber. This particular one is the combustion chamber. This is the water tubes. This point is the water inlet. The water is passing through these tubes and again it comes back to this chamber. According to this combustion chamber, this produced gases, hot gases is getting to be heated. This water, it produces the steam and the steam output is passing through here to outlet. This particular construction is the water tube boilers. In these tubes, the water is flowing. Whenever we are passing the pipe through these tubes and these tubes are surrounded by the water, that is the 5-tube boilers. Regarding the disadvantages point of view of the water tube boilers, It is of high initial cost, complicated construction, and the formation of scaling in the tubes causes corrosion. That is, the water is passing through these tubes, it forms the scaling in the tubes and causes the corrosion. Regarding the disadvantages point of fire tube boilers, these are not suited for large power plants and it occupies more floor area and the rate of steam produced is less. Mainly, these particular boilers are the main important part in the steam power plant. This is the boiler section. The input water, air and fuel is given to this boiler. The process behind this one is this one. Here the steam is produced as the output and the waste gases it is produces. Then after the steam is passing on to the steam turbine, it produces the mechanical energy. The mechanical energy is given to the alternator. The alternator is rotated, it produces the electrical energy. The produced electrical energy is given to the bus bar. This is the concept regarding the boilers. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.